If your GMC Canyon's Apple CarPlay keeps dropping out mid-drive, you are not alone, but the fix is usually simpler than you think. Data shows that 85% of CarPlay connection issues are actually caused by the USB cable rather than the truck's software. Let's walk through the diagnostic steps to get your infotainment system back on track. Start with a clean slate by forgetting the device on both your phone and the truck before performing a hard infotainment reboot. Check your phone's charging port for lint and ensure the truck's USB socket isn't physically loose or damaged. Verify that CarPlay is allowed while locked and try disabling any active VPNs, which can interfere with the wireless handshake. If you have a newer Canyon with wireless CarPlay, the issues are often signal-based rather than physical cable failures. As you can see, simply swapping to a high-quality Apple-certified cable resolves the majority of these connection drops. If the basics fail, a total system power cycle or a dealer-level firmware update for the HMI module may be required. Keep a high-quality spare cable and a small cleaning tool in your glove box to handle these issues on the road. Remember, even the best software can't overcome a dirty port or a $5 gas station cable. Try a fresh cable first, and if that doesn't work, head to your dealer to check for an infotainment software patch.